Hey, how's everyone doing? All right, so we are on day 7, and day 7 is the foot detox. So basically what you're going to do is we're going to show you how to put it together, but you need a foot tub or a basin or a big giant bowl or something. And so what you're going to do is you are going to use baking soda. If you have bentonite clay, you can use bentonite clay, or you can use sea salt, and you can also use apple cider vinegar. And basically, you want to use a tablespoon of each, a tablespoon or 2 of each of those. Warm water, or as warm as you can stand it, in the foot tub, and drop it in. And then put your feet in there, soak your feet for 20 minutes. This is detoxing your feet. It actually pulls out heavy metals, inflammation, all kind of stuff really from your body, because a lot of things that we eat and we absorb into our skin and everything, it ends up filtering through our feet. All right, guys, so this is the foot bath that I have. I can plug it in. It has a little massage pads on the bottom. And so that's very relaxing and soothing for the feet. So you don't have to have anything electronic. You can just use a little basin. But, anything that you can use that will be helpful, soothing, relaxing, I say go for it. So enjoy your foot bath. Enjoy detoxing your feet. All right, guys, so I have my water in my basin. I'm going to start it in a minute, but I'm just going to put in my clay. Put that in. About a tablespoon of that. And a tablespoon of the baking soda. Then I'm going to do the apple cider vinegar. All right, and so that is the foot detox. I'm going to add some more hot water. All right, so I'm going to chill out here in my foot bath for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to enjoy this little foot bath, detoxing foot bath. And so you guys try it. Let me know how you like it. All right, so some other things that the foot detox will do for you. It will also boost your immune system. It will reduce pain and inflammation, increase energy and focus, enhance lymphatic drainage. It helps better the skin, helps with headaches and migraines, improves circulation, it relaxes you, improves your mood, it's a stress reliever. It reduces swelling in the feet and ankles, and improves digestion and nutrient absorption. So taking a foot bath every now and then is really helpful, especially if you find that you have a lot of pain in your back or your legs. Try that, and it will really help the situation. Now, another foot bath that I also have is called the Ionic Foot Bath, IONIC, Ionic Foot Bath. And that is one where it actually draws all kind of things that are toxic for the body, draws that out through your feet. And it's actually a special little device that goes along with the foot bath, and that will help. And they also, you can Google that as well, and you can also Google the foot chart, Ionic Foot Bath foot chart, and it will show you the different things that using that kind of device does for the body. It really helps with detoxing the body. So look into that when you get a chance. All right, so that is day 7, and I hope you enjoy this foot bath. You will really like it. I like it, and I try to do it at least once a month, once or twice a month. My husband does as well. All right, guys, so I will see you tomorrow for day 8.